Hey guys, welcome back to my IGtv. Today I'm going to be doing a foundation video for you guys. I've got some new glowy products for spring that I've been loving, so if you want to see how I got this new look that I've been doing, keep watching. I'm actually going to do my eye makeup first, so let me do that and I'll be right back. Okay, now that eyes are done, I'm putting on this Smashbox Vitamin C Primer. Now I'm blending the Fit Me Dewy and Smooth by Maybelline all over my face. Okay, next is where things have changed a little. I'm going to conceal, contour, and do cream blush all at the same time. So I'm just gonna blend all of that in its place as best as I can. The real game changer is adding the Shape Tape Glow Wand to places you want extra highlight. Okay, give the face one more good blend before you go in and lightly set it. Next, I'm using a gray shade contour for the hollows of my cheeks and the bridge of my nose. I'm taking this more orangey shade to do my actual cheekbones and my forehead. I recently started using the Hyper Glow palette by MAC for highlighter. I'm using the shade Get It Glowin'. Alright, I went ahead and added lower lash mascara and a lip off camera. All that's left to do is set the face. And between my MAC highlighter and my Tarte highlighter, we definitely have a new glowy look going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I actually do my eye makeup. I actually do my eye makeup first, so I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. What is doing a foundation video for you guys. I got a few new products for my foundation that the dog just really, I recently, sorry about that.